cry for help on the viral video of Hawa Mohammed, who never imagined that an innocent after-school adventure will turn into the most traumatic moment of her life. That fateful day after school hour, Hawa and her friend went to a nearby compound to pluck mangoes, unaware that danger awaited them. What followed was a horrific experience that would leave scars, both physical and emotional, as she was mercilessly beaten with sticks by a 33-year-old man, Mamman Shatima, in an act of brutality that shocked the entire community and the wider public alike. What made the ordeal more disturbing was the involvement of his 23-year-old wife, who not only witnessed the assault but also recorded the entire incident and shared it on social media, where her voice was heard telling the husband to beat the helpless child more.
If the government deal with him or they take good matter with him, so when people see, they will know. If they tell somebody to do this thing, they will not do it.
The beating was brutal. I cried watching the video, feeling as though it was my own daughter.
What he did was unacceptable. Posting the video out of ignorance has exposed his cruelty. Government must take necessary action. If that were his own daughter, he wouldn't have been so brutal. He should have asked the parents to pay for the mangoes. Instead, honestly, government must ensure the girl receives justice.
The Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) tracked the perpetrators, and both Shatima and his wife were arrested. And when NTA crew visited the office to confirm their detention, access to interview them was denied, but the official wasted no time in responding to the case.
At the end of the investigation, we will contact the Director of Public Prosecution of the Ministry of Justice, Borno State here, who will advise us on the next step to take, with a view to ensure that the girl gets justice.
Borno State Ministries of Education, Women Affairs and Justice, among other individuals and organizations, have all stepped in, demanding justice for Hawa, who was admitted at the University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital.
This is a serious issue and the government has picked interest in the case. I instantly called the attention of my colleague, the Honorable Commissioner of Justice, to take over, and they have taken over. Apart from them, human rights lawyers are also there, and a well-meaning Good Samaritan, an elder statesman, Dr. Lawan Bukar Alhaj, has taken it upon himself to now take them to hospital. As I speak to you, they are under 24 hours observations in the UMTH.
You shouldn't have gone too far to do that kind of a thing to the girl. Justice should prevail for the little girl so that it will be a deterrent to others to know that they should not be taking laws into their hands.
Meanwhile, another disturbing video has surfaced, revealing Mamman Shatima's cruel treatment of yet another unidentified schoolgirl in his compound. The question now is, how many other vulnerable children have fallen prey to his brutality, lured by the tempting mangoes in his compound? Keep your fingers crossed for more updates and revelations on Mamman Shatima's cruelty towards vulnerable children, as well as the legal proceedings against him and his newly wedded wife.